The Payeer wallet is one of the best online payment options for sending and receiving funds. The Russian bank, established in 2012, functions as an electronic bank exclusively, meaning it possesses no physical branches. Even though it's solely an online bank, it is officially registered and operates under stringent European oversight. Therefore, should the bank ever decide to misappropriate your funds and not return them, you would have the ability to pursue your case in the European courts to reclaim your money. What makes the Payeer wallet special is that it's a comprehensive solution for people who work online. Through it, you can receive and send funds, make a deposit, and even perform currency exchange between various currencies. A trading option was also recently added. Therefore, if you're looking to begin receiving funds and are uncertain whether Payeer is the appropriate bank for your needs, there's no need to worry. You can confidently start using it today. In this video, we'll learn about Payeer Bank, covering the registration process, how to transfer funds, and how to utilize its trading option. There are many reasons to use Payeer, but the most important is that it's a reliable bank with a good reputation that supports 10 different currencies, including the ruble. Moreover, withdrawal and transfer fees are notably low, unlike other banks such as Skrill and PayPal, and it doesn't necessitate account activation via identity verification for you to utilize the wallet. It features a currency exchange option with simple fees. Moreover, you are able to sell your balance at a price exceeding the withdrawal rate and the typical dollar rate. It is very simple to use, and you have the ability to withdraw and transfer as much as $999 each day without activating your account. It also incorporates various security measures designed to safeguard your wallet from any theft attempts, a topic we will delve into within this video. Through it, you can engage in trading various currencies, be they digital or conventional, a feature we'll also elaborate on in this video. Despite Payeer's mentioned advantages, there are some drawbacks. For example, account activation to raise the daily limit isn't available in countries such as Egypt, Palestine, Lebanon, Kuwait, Iraq, Libya, Syria, Oman, Yemen, Jordan, Sudan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and the United States. Additionally, you cannot request a Payeer Visa card from the mentioned countries, but in other nations such as Saudi Arabia, Morocco, and Algeria, you will not encounter these problems and can fully benefit from all the features. To begin, simply download the Payeer wallet application from either Google Play or the Apple Store, then click Sign Up to create a new account. First, you'll be presented with a set of terms and conditions that you need to agree to. It will provide you with an account number, which is what you'll use for both transfers and receiving funds. This number is yours and must be kept secure. The second important number is your password. Click Confirm if you agree to the current password, or you have the option to change it. Just tap Change Password and enter the password you want. Then, enter the secret code that will be required when you transfer and receive and click Confirm. It will also provide you with an account number, which is a unique identifier you'll use for sending and receiving funds. You should keep this number safe as it's specifically yours. It will also request a 4-digit PIN code, which you will be prompted to enter every time you open the application from your mobile device. Numbers, or alternatively, you have the option to enable fingerprint authentication. After that, select your preferred app theme, either black or white, and proceed. Your account number is your wallet number, and you'll provide it to anyone who needs to send you funds or make a transfer. Navigate to History to view all your transactions, and these notifications will confirm that your password has been successfully updated. It is essential to take a screenshot of this message for your records. Additionally, the messages will indicate that you are required to provide your email address. From the settings, go to your profile, enter your email, and press Continue. You will be asked for a code that was sent to your email address. Copy it and enter it on the site to confirm your email. It will also ask for your mobile number. A verification code will be sent to your mobile phone, which you'll need to enter on the website. Afterward, navigate to the security section. Enter the method you wish to receive messages, email, SMS, or Telegram, and select the specific instances when these messages should be sent. If your Payeer wallet holds a large sum, I advise you to select the last option, which is to always receive notifications. The other options include notifications when you log in from a new device and so on. Also, set the minimum withdrawal amount that triggers a notification. I suggest setting it to $1. This means that if a transfer operation occurs, you will receive a message notifying you of it, even if the transfer's value is only $1. Click Save. If your device is set to Arabic and you select the app language as the device's default, the application will display incorrectly or strangely. Therefore, you must select English as the app language. To transfer funds, go to the Transfer section. The maximum amount you can transfer from one Payeer wallet to another Payeer wallet is $10,000 per day, and this does not require any account verification. However, for transfers from Payeer to another bank, the maximum limit is $999, with a $5 fee, which is considered low compared to other banking institutions. This commission fee applies to transfers of up to $5,000 made from one Payeer account to another. However, when you use your Payeer wallet through a web browser, there are certain features available on the website that we will go over. This displays the balance for all your currencies, whether it's dollar, euro, Bitcoin, or other digital currencies. This is the username you'll be asked for when someone wants to transfer funds to your wallet. So, the first option is the dashboard. The second option applies if you possess an alternative payment method and wish to deposit funds into your Payeer wallet. The third option is for when you have a balance in your Payeer wallet and wish to send it to someone else. The primary option here is typically another Payeer account. Just enter the account number of the person you're sending to, choose the currency for the transfer, enter the amount, and click Send. The last three options are for traders on Payeer and for the trading option on Payeer. Navigate to the fourth section, which is graphically represented as a chart. This specific interface will then be displayed. From here, we choose the currency we want to trade, like Bitcoin. And here, you choose the currency you want to trade against. For example, choose Bitcoin against USD, the dollar. This section is for buying and selling. It is crucial to understand that the buy price is distinct from the sell price, and typically it is set at a higher value. For example, you enter the amount of Bitcoin you want and the price you want to sell it at. The deductions are shown here. Just press Sell and your sell transaction will be processed. The same goes for the buy transaction as well. By clicking on My Orders, the details of your sale will be displayed and you can cancel the process by clicking on Revert or Refund. You will gain a greater advantage if you trade with a minimum amount of $50. Thus, you sell when the currency increases in value and buy when its price falls. Therefore, you should continuously monitor its price daily. Share your questions about this feature and your experiences using it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.